In this video, we're going to look at the negative symbol as opposite. So if I have negative b, this negative said, what is the opposite of a negative? In that case, it's a positive number. The opposite of negative is positive, goes the other way. So I can go ahead and cancel it out and just make that number positive. And then I'm going to look at what is b. Well, b is right here at -2. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the b, replace it with the value, and it is -2. In the next example, we have -e. So I'm going to go ahead and find e. E is 7. So I'm going to replace e, but only e. This negative sign is part of the expression, so I'm going to get rid of just e and replace it with 7. So -e equals -7. This negative sign stays with the number. Let's look at the next example. We have -c. So we have -c. Again, the opposite of a negative is a positive. So we don't have any negatives. This is a positive. So we're going to get rid of that. And then I'm going to go ahead and replace c with what the value is. So c is 3. So instead of c, I'm going to replace it with 3. So -c equals 3. So if we have two negatives, it doesn't actually change the sign of the number. If we have one negative, it does change the sign. So -e, it was a +7, it changes to a -7. If I have a negative and a negative, just makes a positive, and then the number stays whatever sign it was to begin with. So let's go ahead and look at our last example. We have -a. Again, a negative stays right here because it started with the a. And I look at a as -7. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the a, leave the negative that was there, and put in what a is. A is -7. And a negative, which is the opposite of a negative. So the opposite of a negative is a positive. So we can go ahead and get rid of these negative signs, and it's just a +7.